Well, they say time heals the wound. What is the neuropsychology of it? Indeed, it is true. I just spoke about that. It takes about 10 weeks to get out of that neurochemical shot phenomena where you feel good when you have those shots running in. And essentially, time is something which will calm down your limbic brain or the emotional brain and kickstart your rational brain. Your brain starts to accept. We all go through a grief cycle. Initially, we are in denial. This cannot happen to me. And then we move on to into the state of depression. Then we feel extremely low and dejected. We feel hopeless. And then somewhat of a partial acceptance come in. And then we try to ruminate. We try to give rational logic. When that fails, then we try to still further blame ourselves. This is all that goes through. Believe me, I went through it, and you can go through it when you are experiencing a breakup. And what happens in the end is acceptance does come in, because the neuroscience says that the time it takes from the limbic kick until the kicking of the rational brain is a period of about 10 to 12 weeks. What you should do in this time is just take care of yourself. If you feel the emotional pain into the physical pain, as I said, take some NSAIDs, take some Panadol, take some aspirins. But if you feel that you really need to talk to anybody, please do talk to it. But believe me, time is magical, and neuroscience says that within 10 weeks up to 12 weeks, you can come out of it fairly fast and fairly well.